Today's video is going to be on replacing your plug-in on your brake switch down here. I will be replacing this plug-in too. It's bun up, but this is the plug-in I got. This is the part number, and this is on a 95 F350. Now it's pretty much the same on any vehicle. The technology has not changed. It's just a little plug-in. So go ahead and take it out of the box. This is the plug-in we got. The one that's on it is brittle. The tab broke off of it, and it does not fit it very good. And somebody's flashed the wires, and it's been a mess under there. So let's go down under the thing and take a look, shall we? That's the switch, as you can see right here. It just very set on it. The tab's broke. It's been hot, and it just pops right off. I don't trust that. And someone's been hacking it all up, as you can see here. It's a mess. So what you want to do is basically clean up these wires and clip it here and get you a soldering gun. You want to solder these. You can tie them together and black tape them, but I'd rather use solder and some heat shrink. So that is what we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to go ahead and I might cut the wires above all this right here, since we got enough to resolder it. Now it don't matter which one goes where, because it basically makes a connection when you mash the pedal, but try not to get them mixed up. But it should not be no biggie if you do. But yeah, so let's go ahead and clip these. This is the new switch, and here's the old one. The old one does got a cap on it. The new one does not. Looks like it should have come with a cap, but somebody forgot it. I wonder if we can take this cap off and install it on the top of that. So the cap just pops off the factory plug-in, and it fits this new plug-in perfect. Even says Ford on it now. So before you throw your old plug-in away, if it's got a cap and yours didn't come with it, change your cap. And that is basically why I'm changing this big bad boy. It's a mess. Safety first. Next, you want to strip your wire. This is my wire. I just twist them together, put them straight into each other, then twist them a little bit, and then solder them. I done got my heat shrink attached. You want to go ahead and put that on and move it down the way so the heat don't shrink it as you soldering this back together. You do not have to solder it, but I like to solder all my joints. It just gives me a better quality repair, in my personal opinion. So I go ahead and solder this. Since we got the solder joint all sorted, it's super strong now. We can go ahead and push this on up over top of this, one-handed, just like so. You don't have to use this much heat shrink, but I did, just because, you know, I didn't want to cut it. And then you can take a heat gun or a lighter and just shrink it down, just like so. And now I'm going to hit the other side with this lighter, and then go ahead and shrink that down right here, after I solder it, of course. Now these wires was color coded, one solid green and one with a red stripe, and I put them exactly the way it was up off, which would be the same way it came off the switch. But as I said before, it should not matter which way to go on, so if you get them mixed up, it shouldn't be a biggie. But let's go ahead and install this, shall we? We got a wire loom here. I can probably tape all this. That's probably what I do, and then run it up there. Let me go ahead and get some tape before we install this. Okay, I got it back into its original wire loom with the edge taped up. Now let's go ahead and try to plug this in, shall we? And it should go just like so. As we get it started, I'm going to have to use both hands on this. Nope, I got it. There we go. Much better fit and a cleaner repair. Now you want to make sure your wire ain't touching anything, and you want to double check your brake light's working. Thank you for watching. That's how simple it is to install. You can see my cat over here in the seat. He's having fun. That's how simple it is to pretty much install a brake plug. I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop a like if you did. Hit the subscribe button. I try to do daily content as often as I can. So instead of daily content, I say almost daily content. So definitely hit that subscribe button. Drop a like. Leave a comment if you found it helpful. And stay tuned for almost more daily content.